ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Step into paradise at Mausen Telang Nongwar. Your sustainable escape into nature's heart.
Kumbalai pungut ki Samla na kaleng Rilum Jaiñtia kelepin ina mikiriam ki bet Ïathoh bagla su Pynwandur hi ha ka program la pinlong da commitment through Community Social Welfare Association bat ha ka jok por la pin kuburamru yakini ki Samla ki pindap ki jingsha hi kai pintibit ka balai banai kan thi yakini ki riam Ïathoh kini ki designer kla yo lat ban pin i ha ka rensan ka tip kum ka bridal bliss spectacular fashion show and exhibition ka pinlong ha district library jowai ha ka pundur truk ya yong ara jar phosau Kadiga jing ajing kai tip kum ka assistant fashion design bridal apparel la kershan da Meghalaya State Skill Development Society jongatna labor ka sarkar jilla. La sakhilang ha kadiga sngi do additional deputy commissioner jongka West Jaiñtia Hills district uba MB Tongper ubulong ru kumukongsan ka director jonga MCSWA ka Dr. JN Shulai u skill development officer uba Lambormi Suchen bat kiwe.
Fashion industry is coming up big time in today's world. If you look at the global value, the value of the fashion industry worldwide, it has crossed, $2 trillion. Even in our country, it has touched billions of dollars. And the bridal gown industry is huge. I think we all see the numerous weddings which happen even in our state, in the district. A wedding is a very, very big, a very grand affair, right? And a wedding gown is something which every person cherishes, no matter how much money we spend on a gown. A gown is a reflection of, of memories, of emotions. So this is a very, very big opportunity, especially for the trainees. Just three things when you go forward in your careers in the fashion industry. First thing is you need to project your work. This is called digitalization. This is an excellent platform to showcase your talent. I believe Ms. Mandakini, she's Miss Social Media. I think she's the right person to talk to. This is where you need to really, explore this platform, and I'm sure you will do very, very well. Second is sustainability. I think we're all aware in today's world, everybody is talking about a sustainable environment. And even the global fashion industry is focusing on sustainability. The products which you use in your designs, in your clothes, this is very important, especially if you use local products. We have many important and famous designers from the state itself, and I believe even today we will see these products made from very environment-friendly materials. And the third one is inclusivity. I think this is also very important in today's world. The fashion industry is not just meant for females, but even males. And all genders in today's, look in today's scenario. So these are the three important components for the trainees.
The bridal bliss spectacular is more than just a fashion show. It's more than just a fashion show. It is a platform for these aspiring designers to demonstrate their skills, creativity, and vision. It is an opportunity to foster collaboration between government agencies, private agencies, and private enterprises and community organizations, all with the shared goal of empowering individuals and strengthening our community. As we enjoy the design and creations on tonight's display, I encourage you to reflect on the stories behind each piece. These creations represent dreams, perseverance, and the power of learning. They reflect the rich cultural heritage of our region while also embracing modern trends and innovation.